7 continents of the world. Facts you need to know. Here are important facts you need to know about the 7 continents on Earth. The total land mass on Earth is formed of 7 continents of various sizes. Some are connected to each other while others are not. All of them have a different number of countries forming them. The names of the 7 continents of the world are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. All the continents of the world start and end with the same alphabet if you consider North and South Americas as one continent. Earth is around 71% water and 29% land. In fact, billions of years ago, the 7 continents of the world were joined together as a single massive landmass called Pangaea. But thanks to plate tectonics, they gradually broke apart and separated. Europe and North America are still moving apart at the rate of 7 centimeters every year, research says. Facts about Asia. Size, 44,579,000 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 48. Population, 4,436,224,000. Asia is the world's largest continent of the 7 continents in size and population. Asia covers 1/3 of Earth's surface. It has 30% of world land area and 60% of population. It contains the world's largest country, Russia, and the world's 2 most populous countries, China and India. Asia houses the highest point on Earth, the summit of Mount Everest, which is 29,028 feet, 8,848 meters, tall. The continent is home to the 10 highest peaks in the world. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from space. Asia saw the birth of 2 great ancient civilizations, Harappan civilization and Chinese civilization. The religions of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity first began in Asia. The major animals found in Asia are reticulated pythons, tiger, panda, yaks, Indian rhinoceroses. Facts about Africa. Size, 30,221,532 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 54. Population, 1,216,130,000. Of the 7 continents of the world, Africa is the second largest. The continent's terrain was inhabitable and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning it the name of Dark Continent. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. The world's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in Africa. The equator passes through the middle of the Dark Continent and it receives direct sunlight throughout the year. As per research evidence, Africa is the place where Homo sapiens originated and then migrated to all the other continents of the world. More than 50% of the world's gold and 95% of the world's diamonds come from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. The world also gets 66% of its chocolate from the Dark Continent. The major animals in Africa include cheetah, African elephant, lion, zebra, Egyptian mongoose, giraffe, addax. Facts about Australia. Size, 8,525,989 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 3. Population, 39,901,000. Australia is the world's smallest continent and is also known as an island continent as it is surrounded by water on all sides. The official name of Australia is the Commonwealth of Australia. The continent of Australia is often called Cell, Australasia or Meganesia to differentiate it from the country of Australia. Australia lies entirely on the south of the equator and is often called the country down under. The name Australia comes from the Latin word australis meaning southern. Of all the continents in the world, Australia stands at the top of wool production and import. This is because the sheep population in the world's smallest continent is 14 times that of its human population. Austria is home to over 500 varieties of eucalyptus trees. 2/3 of Australia's desert land. The world's largest coral reef, The Great Barrier Reef is around 2,000 kilometers long. The unique animals of Australia are kangaroo, emu, platypus. Facts about Antarctica. Size, 14 million square kilometers. No. Of countries, 0. Population, 1,106. Antarctica is not only the coldest place on Earth but also the highest, driest, windiest and emptiest. 75% of the world's ice and 70% of the Earth's fresh water is located in Antarctica. It is also called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent. Before 1840, Antarctic was called Terra Australis Incognita, which meant the unknown southern land. Antarctica sees half a year of light and half a year of complete darkness. Summer months of December to February give 24 hours of light, while the winter months of late March to late September are pitch dark the whole day. Summer temperatures in this frozen continent are around -35 degrees Celsius in the interior and 2 degrees Celsius at the coasts. In the winters, it is -70 degrees Celsius in the interior and 2 degrees Celsius at the coasts. Antarctica saw the coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth was -89 degrees Celsius. There are no time zones on this continent. The largest land animal in Antarctica is a 1.3 centimeters long insect known as Belgica antarctica. The only permanent settlements in Antarctica are the research bases where scientists from different countries come to do their work. Penguins are home in Antarctica and Adelie penguins are the most common kind found here. Facts about Europe. Size, 10,180,000 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 50. Population, 738,849,000. Europe and Asia are parts of the same major land mass. Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. The highest mountain in this continent is Mount Elbrus. The Balkan Ranges, Pyrenees, Apennines, Cantabrian, and the Dinaric Alps are some of the major mountains in Europe. Europe is surrounded by water on 3 sides, Mediterranean Sea in the south, Atlantic Ocean in the west, and Arctic Ocean in the north. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. Some of the major rivers of Europe include Danube, Elbe, Loire, Oder, Dnieper and Don. Finland, in Europe, is called the land of lakes because melting ice sheets have created a lot of lakes here. The longest rail route in the world is the Trans-Siberian Rail Route located in Europe, which connects St. Petersburg in the west and Vladivostok in the east. Norway, Sweden, Iceland and Denmark together form the Scandinavian countries. Facts about Europe. Yugoslavia, Greece, Romania and Albania are together called the Balkan states. Spain and Portugal form Iberia together. The Baltic states comprise Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia. Great Britain and Ireland form the 2 main island groups of Europe. Ukraine's steppe region is called the granary of the world or breadbasket of the world. Moscow is called the port of 5 seas as through its rivers and canals, it connects to 5 seas. Maize, barley, rice and oilseeds are the major food crops of the continent. 3/4 of the world's potatoes grow in Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe. The second longest river of Europe, the Danube, passes through 5 capital cities of the major animals of Europe are hedgehog, roe deer, wild boars, blue-tit, the European tree frog. Facts about North America. Size, 24,709,000 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 23. Population, 579,024,000. North America has 5 time zones and is the only continent with every type of climate. North America was named after the explorer Amerigo Vespucci and is also known as the New World. Of the 7 continents of the world, North America's population density at 22.9 per square kilometer is the highest. The largest freshwater lake in the world, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The world's 3rd longest river, The Mississippi, 3,778 kilometers, is located in North America. When compared with the other continents, North America has the highest average per person income. The average food intake of individuals is the highest on this continent. The world's largest economy, the USA, is a part of North America. The world's largest producer of maize, wheat and soybean is North America. The world's largest sugar exporter among the 7 continents, Cuba, also called the sugar bowl of the world, is located in North America. The world's smallest owl, the elk, is found on this continent. The moose and the elk, found in North America, are the first and second tallest animals on the continent. The other major animals of North America are brown bears, hummingbirds, bald eagles, brown bears, bullfrogs. Facts about South America. Size, 17,840,000 square kilometers. No. Of countries, 12. Population, 422,535,000. The world's largest river as per water volume and the second longest, 6,440 kilometers, the Amazon, is in South America. This continent houses the world's highest waterfalls, the Angel Falls. The world's largest snake and the second longest, the green anaconda, also resides in South America. The highest volcanoes of the world, Mount Cotopaxi and Mount Chimborazo, are found on this continent. Brazil, the country which is the largest coffee producer in the world, is in South America. The major languages spoken on this continent are Portuguese and Spanish. The largest salt lake in the world, Salar de Uyuni Salt Flats, is in South America. The world's highest lake, 3,800 meters, and South America's largest is Lake Titicaca. After the Himalayas, the Andes form the second highest mountain range in the world. These young fold mountains are located in South America. Mount Aconcagua, 7,021 meters, is the highest peak in the Andes.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Test your English grammar for more videos regarding English grammar.